Welcome to DD College, Department of Commerce and Management, where business acumen meets real-world applications. We don't just learn from books, we engage with the industry through internships and corporate visits.
And guess what? Career opportunities here are endless, from finance to entrepreneurship. Our courses like BCom, BCom Honors and BBA open doors to diverse paths in the business world.
But what sets us apart is the personalized education and support from our faculty. They mentor us both academically and professionally, ensuring we are ready to tackle any challenge in the business field.
Don't miss out the chance to start your journey towards a successful career in commerce and management.
So, if you are passionate about business and want an education that goes beyond the classroom,
join us at DD College, the Department of Commerce and Management. Let's build the future together.